Offline. Wow. But if you step out in these, you need to come offline because you're going to get rinsed. Yes, people, it's your boy Jay, also known as JVSLP, also known as I'm Broke Baby. And today I'm at a Nike outlet in Braintree. Gonna see if there's anything there to flip. There's also an Adidas outlet here as well. Gonna check that out. But yeah, I paid £12 for my train ticket. Let's try and make this money back. Let's go.
Fly uptown, I'm feeling down. I wanna do retail web.
Yo, outside the Nike store now, and it's looking mad quiet. Sometimes that's a good sign, sometimes it's a bad sign that it's dead. But yeah, going Nike store now. Gonna see what's in there. Flip the camera. Cool. So I think this is a factory outlet. There's a difference between a factory outlet and a clearance store. Not clearance store, this is a factory outlet. So yeah, let's see what they've got in here. Normally they're calm with recording. Right, cool. Start at the top. Oh wait, actually let's start with tracksuits. See if they got any Nike Techs. These sides might be able to pick up a Nike Tech. Got the football tracksuits, striker tracksuits, whatever they're called. This colour is nice, but obviously the tracksuit is just dead in general. Got the basic things. I ain't seen Nike Tech in outlets in a while. Not a decent one. I've seen I think like an odd red one or something. That's about it. Yeah, I've seen like the odd red one. No, it's dead, you know, I can't lie. No point. Can't see no Nike Techs. Cool, we're gonna start from the top. See, this is, they draw you in. It looks like they have it here, but you got to order this online. This is just retail price. You got to order it online. So they make it look like they have it. Draw you in. 30% off. Oh, are these riffs? They look like riffs, you know. Remember? Does anyone remember riffs? But they're not riffs. They're Canyon sandal. Where riffs used to go off back in the day. You know about riffs, Nike riffs. Yeah, man. Well, they're backing out the sandals today. What's this? Offline. Wow. But if you step out in these, you need to come offline because you're going to get rinsed. You're going to get rinsed on the blogs or TikTok. Better come offline. 2 pointers. You know what? I can't lie. They've had the same old stuff. They've had the same old stuff for time. Like these waddies, court royales, they're always here. Normally you'll find what are they called again? Blazers. Blazer lows here as well. No little discounts. These sell well, but only if you get them on decent discount. They're still 93 quids. Nothing great. Yeah, man, nothing's looking too great. I can't even lie. More sandals. Wow, these looking like some Jesus things. These are looking like the Jesus 11s. What? Oh my god. Nice. Clearance, but you know what? It says clearance, but normally back wall is like 50% off, and it's not even saying it, it's 50% off. Good. Now these Nike IDs, someone's designed these and returned them. Man like Dylan. With a dead design, returned them straight away. Man. Oh, we got some Air Max 90s. These solid colorway, ain't bad. If there was 50% off, they might be alright, but they are £84. There's no point. No point. I swear, sometimes some of these men in these shops just make themselves look busy. Like they're just restacking the shelves. Like there's nothing even out of place. They're just restacking it. I couldn't even go down that aisle. There's just all these men restacking shelves. There's nothing. I've seen nothing so far to flip. I don't know. Is it just me or recently the last Since 2022, these outlets have been dead. They ain't doing no backwall discounts. There's nothing great. I've picked up a couple things, but nothing to write home about. Like, yeah. These, bro, they've had this same stuff. They've had the same stuff for the last 3 months. These have been here for months. Normally by now they went backwall, and even then the backwall discount ain't nothing. That is actually looking like L today. I don't think there'll be one profitable thing. Stick around though. Stick around to the end of the video to find out. But yeah, it ain't looking good. I can't even lie to you now. It's more sandals. What are these called? Zoom Pulse. Well, if you're wearing these, you ain't got a pulse because these are clapped. These are clapped. Yeah, man. Alright, we got like 2 more hours to go. Okay, these did go back wall. The gold ones that in the same pack as the silver. Again, these blazers, like I said, you'll always find blazers here now. They went back wall. Nah, some boy, ain't nothing, man. Ain't nothing. Not one thing. Not one thing. We got 1 more hour to go, guys. 1 more hour to go. But yeah. See, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Is anything on the last aisle? 30%. No, that's it, man. That is it. Alright, we're gonna make our way out. I'm gonna check the time. So yes, guys, just come out of the Nike outlet. There was not one thing to flip. No trainers to flip, no tracksuits. Sometimes, you know, you miss something. Like, sometimes they got footballs that you can flip. I've seen people flipping footballs from there, but that's not my speciality, you know. I'm a trainer, man, and I didn't see no trainers. So, well, that's an L. It's a waste of a trip. A waste of a trip. Luckily, obviously, I'm filming it for content, but train ticket here was like, how much is it? 12 quid. Yeah, that would have been L, and it's taken like 2 hours out of my day. But you know, that's the game, man. Especially when you're doing these outlet flips. It's just luck. Unless you get a tip off that yeah, it's popping off today, come early, then yeah, it's just luck of the draw really. And today was not the day. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it moving, get something to eat, and then hopefully hopefully get some good food to soften the blow.